Welcome back to Vinindin Academy, where we break down solar energy in a way that's simple, honest, and practical. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. You're in the right place for clear, no-fluff advice on going solar. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. We truly appreciate you. Today's topic is one of the most overlooked parts of solar ownership, and it might just be the easiest way to improve your system's performance without spending a single extra dollar. We're talking about cleaning your solar panels. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A little dust can't make that much of a difference, right? Actually, it can. In fact, regular cleaning can boost your solar panel output by 5% to 20% or more, depending on your location and how dirty your panels get. In this video, we're going to explain exactly why solar panels need cleaning, how often you should do it, the safest and most effective way to clean them, and the big mistake many people make that can void their warranty or even damage their panels. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Why dirty panels equal sign lost power. Solar panels work by absorbing sunlight and converting it into electricity. So the more sunlight hits the panel, the more energy you get. But when there's a layer of dust, bird droppings, pollen, soot, or even salt if you live near the ocean, that sunlight gets blocked. Even a thin film of grime can reduce performance. Just like a dirty windshield makes it harder to see clearly, dirty panels make it harder to absorb light. Here's a real-world example. In a 2020 study from the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, panels in dusty, arid regions like the southwestern U.S. lost up to 25% of their efficiency after just a few months without cleaning. That's like losing an entire panel's worth of power just because of dirt. Now, if you live in an area with heavy air pollution, dry seasons, or minimal rain, the impact can be even worse. Even if it rains, don't assume it's doing the job. Rainwater can actually leave behind mineral spots that reduce clarity over time. This is where it depends on your environment. If you're in an area with frequent rainfall and low dust, once or twice a year might be enough. But if you live in a dusty region, near trees that drop sap or leaves, or in a city with a lot of air pollution, every 3 to 4 months might be necessary. The key is to watch your system's output data. Most solar inverters or apps show daily, weekly, and monthly performance. If you notice a steady drop in production and nothing else has changed, like weather or shading, there's a good chance your panels just need a good cleaning. Okay, so how do you actually clean them? Here's the good news. You don't need any fancy equipment. In most cases, lukewarm water, a soft sponge or cloth, and maybe a little biodegradable soap is all you need. Here's a step-by-step. Choose early morning or late evening to avoid hot panels that can crack if hit with cold water. Rinse with water to loosen the dirt. Use a soft sponge or microfiber cloth. Never anything abrasive that can scratch the glass. Avoid harsh chemicals or pressure washers. They can damage the anti-reflective coating and void your warranty. If panels are hard to access, use an extendable pole with a soft brush, or consider hiring a professional. If your system is on a second-story roof or angled steeply, your safety comes first. In that case, it's absolutely worth hiring a solar panel cleaning service once or twice a year. It usually costs between $100 and $250 depending on your system size and location, and the energy gain can quickly offset that cost. Many solar owners don't clean their panels at all, and over time, that adds up. You may not notice a sudden drop in performance, but slowly, month by month, your energy output can fall by hundreds of kilowatt hours per year. That means higher electricity bills, longer payback time, missed financial savings. Also, if bird droppings or leaves build up in certain spots, they can cause hot spots, where one part of the panel heats up more than the others. This can degrade your panels faster or trigger long-term issues. Regular cleaning helps prevent this kind of uneven wear. Some solar panel brands now offer anti-soiling coatings that repel dust and dirt more easily. While these aren't perfect, they can reduce how often you need to clean, especially in dry climates. Also, if your system is connected to a monitoring app, use it. Some platforms will alert you if performance drops unexpectedly. That can be your sign that it's time for a checkup or cleaning. Let's bring it all together. If you want to protect your solar investment and get the most out of your system for 20+ years, don't ignore regular cleaning. It's simple, affordable, and it can significantly increase your savings over time. To recap, dirt and debris can slash your panel's performance by up to 20% or more. Cleaning is easy and safe if done right. No pressure washers, no chemicals. Keep an eye on your system's output to know when it's time to act. When in doubt, hire a pro once or twice a year. It pays for itself. Your panels don't just need sunlight, they need a little TLC too. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who's thinking about or already using solar. And don't forget to subscribe to Vanindin Academy. We're here every week with beginner-friendly guides to help you master solar energy, one smart decision at a time. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.